Welcome to Cabo Rojo, Dominican Republic. The captain told us that this is only the second time Royal Caribbean has ever been here. And we are currently on the Oasis of the seas, and it was the first time for this ship. And as you can see, it's pretty man-made, but it's fabulous. They did a fantastic job. So yeah, 2 days before the sailing in April 2025, we were notified that they added another stop. So what you're seeing here is that's the gathering area for the tours, and this is the first bar you're going to run into. Pretty cool cask up there. Then as always, there's always a duty-free shop. So when you come out of that, you just kind of start the tour of the island. It's amazing. As you can see, it's brand new. I heard that it's less than a year old, but man, people are just starting to go here, and man, we loved it. We really did. Then as you continue on your right here, you actually have a lazy river. And everything that we found out and asked, it's free. So there's people floating down the lazy river all day. So what a cool feature to do in the Caribbean. Then you turn left there, and it is a total carnival feel. It's crazy. Merry-go-rounds, there's a Ferris wheel. And again, everything that we saw, there was no charge for any of this. At least for the day that we were on. And then a little more of the lazy river. A lot of people partaking. It was a hot day in April here. And they have these areas all over the place. They're really ankle deep. There's hammocks everywhere. Great lounging. This is the first shopping area. First of 3. And they're all different layouts. And I actually got the restrooms. They were super, super clean. This is the second shopping area, which was my favorite area. Now, when you get under the shaded area here, it really cools things down. The water cabanas, those are really, really cool. You know, everything is water-based here, so you're always walking through a little bit of water, which is kind of cool. As you can see, you know, the mud stucco building there with the front of the boat, you know, shaped structure there, and you're in the Dominican Republic, so you got to have some cigars. And there's dancing. There's dancing everywhere. It was a good time. It really, really was. I can't wait to go back, and we just left yesterday. So I just continue on with the shopping of the second area. There's a pharmacy. You know, you got all your normal stuff, but man, the brand new structures are fantastic. And this is the third area. Just all a little different. Different layouts, but as you can see, it was a beautiful, beautiful day in Cabo Rojo. And a little more hammocks for you to enjoy. But you can see everything is just clean and friendly. It was a huge, huge party vibe going on. You always got your street signs pointing the way. And then you have the Mine Bar and Grill. That was a cool hangout. That structure was kind of the only normal looking thing that we are all kind of used to. This is the back side of it. As you're going to see, the really cool bar area and eating area coming up in a little bit is really, really cool. So you have your main pool area, which kind of had the Coco Cay kind of feel to it. But again, it's just beautiful, safe, clean, good stuff. And the port of Cabo Rojo did a fantastic job on this. So I really, really hope that Royal Caribbean continues to go to here. And this is the swimming and snorkeling area, which was roped off. It was really, really cool. As you can see in the distance there, there's nothing around here. It's just a man-made island. And man, it's really, they did a really, really great job. A lot of beachy areas to walk around. Again, a lot of sitting areas in the water, out of the water, in the sun, in the shade. They offered everything. There's a little sign for the margarita pool bar. You get your mojito and stuff. And these are the really, really cool structures. This is just a really small little bar. But when you go into these things, you're really obviously in the shade. And it's so cool in there. And yes, that is another restroom. And the restrooms were so clean. And this is one of the 2 eating areas. And again, it was so cool in here. And it's just the stick structure. But man, it was a really cool place to hang out for sure. They had the waiters walking around taking care of you. And next to that is the Blue Parrot. So they get your starters and all your food and drinks there. And this is the second eating area. But you could see the shade. It's just, again, it was 85 degrees that day, but you walk into one of these places, and it's really, really cool. And this is one of the main bar areas. This is where Leslie and I hung out for a little bit. Good time, loud music. It was a big party. Everybody was partying. It really, really, really had a Coco Cay feel. And there's more of that water going around. You can always get your feet wet. So, and this was the DJ out here. He had a microphone there singing and dancing. So now we were really, really impressed with Cabo Rojo. We are really, really looking forward to going back next year. We're already booked on this cruise again. So hope you like the video, and we appreciate your time, and we'll catch you next time.